Hello, welcome to a very special episode of Suburban Spoken with Steve. Today we are doing squirrels. So we live in the suburbs, as the name of the show implies, and there was a couple of squirrels that were living in my gutters and damaging my house, so I decided to take care of that problem. Last week we did frogs, and we did a seasoning and a marinade in buttermilk and salt and pepper and slap your mama, and it tasted so good. The gamey taste was all taken out of it. So we're gonna try to do the same thing with these squirrels. Okay, so we've had the squirrels marinating in the buttermilk, soaking for about 2 hours. This is just melted butter and slap your mama seasoning. We're gonna do a flavor injector, and probably the upper shoulders, back shoulders. The rib cage is pretty skinny, but any place that has a nice chunk of fat of meat, we're gonna do a flavor injector. We got them completely flavor injected. They're really good seasoning. They smell like ranch. So we're gonna go put them on the grill at 225 for a couple hours. I mean, do you have a recipe on how to cook squirrel? I don't. We're going for 165, so we'll see what happens. All right, so we've got our Green Mountain grill up to 225 degrees. The internal temperature that we're looking for is 160, they say, but it's squirrel and it's for my backyard, so I'll probably do like more like 180, 190 just to be sure. Good luck in there, fellas. Okay, so they've been on for about 2 hours. As you can tell, I've got the meat probe in there. They're at about 160 right now. The recommended internal was 160, but I'm gonna try and get it up a little bit hotter just in case. Again, these aren't farm raised, they are wild things, and I just wanna make sure I kill anything that's in there. So another hour probably. All right, as you can see, I got the internal temperature up to about 185, 186. So they've been on for just about 2.5 hours. So we're gonna take them off and take them inside. All right, so they were in there for just about 2.5 hours. They look very good, good color. They're not jerkified or too dry. They're not jerky. So let's rip one of these arms off and figure out what they taste like. Okay. Let's have a taste. I don't know what it tastes like. It's something unique into itself. It's not bad. It's got a unique kind of flavor, but it's good. It's very good. It's very edible.
Is it like chicken?
No, not chicken.
Is it like ham?
Closer to ham than anything. Is that weird? It's good. So final thoughts, the cook is good, the flavor is very, very good. I like the consistency, kind of almost like a jerky outside. It's very edible and very good. Would I order it at a restaurant? If the restaurant was known for it, I would. And will I do this again? Probably not. The only reason I did this is because these two guys were living in my gutters and screwing up my house. So it's very good. I would say try it yourself and stay smoky.